So what's been going on, guys? You know, I got my camera back, my pro camera. Now I have two cameras. I finally got to swap out the battery on my older camera. I had to order my battery from eBay. The battery actually came from China. It took about a month to get here, but I finally got my batteries. I think it was like around 10 bucks, $8, $9, $10, something like that, for like 4 batteries. That's not bad. So I had to take my camera apart. It's not easily swappable. I had to take the camera apart, desolder the connections from the old battery, and put in the new battery, soldering the new battery. I had to use a desoldering iron. Well, I was gonna use a desoldering iron to desolder the old battery, but I actually didn't have to do that because there was so little solder on the connections that I just used my soldering iron to desolder the connections of the battery. So I'll be posting pictures. You're probably looking at the pictures now, but you'll see the tools that I used. The little desoldering iron that you see with the pump, that's a desoldering iron. That's to melt the solder and then suck up the solder. I used to do that years ago when I used to replace the connections for the power port on laptops that were broken. Well, I had to desolder some of the connections with that desoldering iron. But yeah, it wasn't that easy, but it was kind of easy, you know, because since I know where, you just have to keep in mind when you take something apart, you have to keep in mind to put it back the same way. It's all in layers, and make sure you don't lose the screws. Make sure you know where each little screw goes in. Every screw is different size and stuff like that. So I finally got it back, you know, for like about 10 bucks. I was able to fix my camera and replace the battery, and now I have extra batteries. So just a little update, guys. You know, I'm glad I was able to put this video. Oh, and one thing, you know, every once in a while I've been playing virtual pool. I've been playing pool off and on for a long time, ever since I was a kid. And my sister actually, she owned a pool table years ago, but I think she got rid of it. And yeah, so virtual pool, it's been my thing, you know, to kill time sometimes. So if you guys ever want to download 8-ball pool from Miniclip on Android, I'm not sure about the iPhones, and if you send me a message, I can send you my my ID, Miniclip ID, and you can find me and I'll play a game with you. Why not? It's a fun game. I'm not a gamer at all, you know, like one of those hardcore gamers, but I do like pool. I will play a pool game with you. But anyway, guys, be safe, guys. You know, take care, stay out of danger, stay healthy, do everything you gotta do to stay alive, guys. God bless. Stay safe, guys. Later.